You should join Team Rotimi and become a area rep because you get to wake up cool. And who doesn't want to wake up cool? You should join Team Rotimi and become an area rep because you get to rep and promote one of the biggest up-and-coming male artists right now, and you get to build his career. And you should join Team Rotimi and become an area rep because we're just simply the best.
Hi everybody, this is Tanika. I just wanted to let you know a couple of reasons why you should become a Rotimi area rep. This man is amazing. His album, The Resume, is amazing. If you don't have it yet, you should go to www.rotimimusic.com and download it right now. You know, become a part of the movement, you know, so we can hear some amazing R&B music on the radio instead of this whack-ass, dry-ass music that we have on the radio nowadays. Let's get some real R&B artists back on the radio.
Bridget here to tell you to join Team Rotimi. It's the place to be. Beautiful music, a sexy man, and a loving heart. That's all you need, a loving heart. Be a part of Team Rotimi. We would love to have you. You get to spread the word of Rotimi. Spread the word. Don't end the word. Okay?
To all you people who tweet Rotimi every day and tell him how much you love him, how much you love his music, you need to become an area rep. This way you can help spread the word about Rotimi to the people in your city or the people in your area. So go ahead right now, email Sandy at rotimimusic.com and join the movement.
Hey everyone, let me tell you why you should become a member of Team Rotimi. His music is amazing, he's truly talented, and he needs our help to promote his name throughout our communities so that he will become known all over the country and all over the world. True talent needs to be recognized, so come on, join an amazing team and help Rotimi out.
What's up, y'all? This is Kizzy here. I'm here to tell you that the smartest decision of the year that you could possibly make right now is to become a Rotimi area rep. Yes, yes, yes. If you really, really love Rotimi, that's what you need to do. Support. Can y'all see that? Team Rotimi. Team Rotimi. Yes. Support the movement. Download The Resume. Visit this website right here if you can see my arm. And, yeah, become an area rep. You got to email Sandy at rotimimusic.com. You get to support Rotimi in your city, you know. Do all that great stuff. Let people know about the movement. Let people know about Rotimi. Let people know what he's doing. You know, get him more fans. Why not? If you love him, that's what you need to do. And you can meet cool people like me and all the other chicks in this video.
They call me the future of R&B, but I want to be right now. I'm just living my dream, y'all. A resume. This is my body of work. I put blood, sweat, and tears into this music, man. The highs and the lows, the ups and the downs. And I want you to be my employer.
Cause girl, nothing compares to Rotimi.
They say one of us has to go through pain. I won't hesitate to please you. I'd give up on anything. Everything will be okay if I have you. I will never feel alone. There's no question of what I do. Nothing compares to you. You're the reason I live. Nothing compares to you. If I had to go again, give up the money, give up the women, give it all up to be with you. Let me get that red light, yellow light, green light. Let me get that red light, yellow light, green light. Let me get that red light, yellow light, green light. Let me get that red light, yellow light, green light. Chillin' in my Maybach, turn it around again. Look, baby, I got the remedy. Your love doctor, I'ma give you your prescription.